What's up everybody, Swift here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to clean out your PlayStation 4 Slim. Alright, so, you gotta unplug it, so I've already done that. Now you're going to come over here, like I showed you guys last time, maybe a couple months ago, probably like 4 months ago. You're going to pull up each corner. Now I've already done this before, I've already cleaned out the PlayStation. That's what I'm showing you guys how to do today. Got a little bit of dust right there. Now, you're gonna have to take these screws out first. See, I've already taken this off. It didn't come off too well. This one had problems coming off because it had like a little, you're not gonna be able to see it, but it had like something, a piece of metal sticking out from manufacturing. This one did not. This one's normal. But yeah. So it might come like that. Who knows? I don't know. Now I'm gonna show you guys what piece you're going to need in your screwdriver to get these out. You're also going to need Phillips head screwdrivers for all these. You're going to need to take out screws right here. There's another one. There's actually 3 of them. I didn't know that. My fault. Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head. All these are Phillips head screwdriver. Or bolts. Or no. Screws, sorry. So now I'm going to go and do that. Let's see. That worries me. That's not even tight. I don't think it's that small. Okay, it ended up being that. Okay. Fine by me. Alright, this is probably the smallest one. That'll come in most tool sets. That's what it looks like next to one of these bolts for a reference. Or for one of these screws for a reference. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Hold on. Let's see, let's get a quarter for a reference. So it's about the size of his nose for a reference. Can't see that very well because it's all up in the glare. There you go. So you're going to take this one out, this one, and this one. You just need to take these out for so far. Hold up. Give me a second. Here, I'll just do this. Give me a little shaky, but I'll just do this. And you're going to want to make sure these are tight. This one was not tight at all. And then just grab yourself a magnet. Oh, it's not coming off. Hold up. And then just grab yourself the magnet. Pull them out. Pull the other one out. And now this comes right off. Or not that, sorry. So that comes right off. Right out of there, just like that. And then, see, this was holding that down. That's why you had to take that off. Okay, so now, hold on, let me plug in my phone, sorry. Alright, there we go. So now, you have to fill, oh wait, I got one more. Sorry about that, I keep forgetting about that one. can get yourself another magnet. Now you really should not be using high power magnets on these, because you can really damage them. Hold on, I'm gonna get a Phillips head screwdriver bit. Hold on guys, I will be right back. Alright, I'm back. So you're gonna take out this one. You're gonna take out all these. I think this one had trouble coming out, but this one is completely stripped. So I guess we have to, let's find maybe like a rubber band. Let me go get some cut this one. Alright, hold on guys. Alright, well, this one's being really difficult to come out, so I'll take the rest of these out so you guys just know what you're doing. And then, so this is the heat sink. There'll usually be like a layer of dust right here. If you have not ever cleaned out your PlayStation and got it serviced, there will usually be a layer of dust right here. It's like, it'll usually be like this thick. You know, it's a lot. Especially if you have yours on the ground. Like I had mine for a long time. It's bad, it's bad. And then your fan will be completely caked in dust, and then all around here, caked. Make sure to get right back here. Just a little portion. And then don't use a cotton swab and don't pick it out with your fingers. Get like tweezers and pull out that wall of dust. Because the wall of dust will have built up spikes. And, you know, you don't really want to be touching that. It doesn't feel nice, trust me. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. How to clean your PlayStation. Yeah, that's it. So, thank you for watching. And, really have a good day. The reason I was talking so quietly is because there's people sleeping in my house, so I don't want to wake them or anything. Well, thank you. Oh, wait, one more thing. This piece right here, it's where your disc go in, your disc drive. I don't know how to clean this, but if your discs have a hard time going in, I heard it might be because the rollers are dusty and clogged up. Mine, I think that's what happened to mine. And this thing's kind of, you know, really old inside for it to, you know, get the disc in there. So, look up how to clean that. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll make a separate video on it. Well, thank you for watching. This was not supposed to be a 10-minute video, but thank you. God bless. Have a good day or night, and peace.